Hi, I'm Drew Taylor with High Resolution Engineering. We supply AV rental kits for corporate events, broadcasts, trade shows, and other live events. And here in front of me we have our new Panasonic 4K PTZ kit, including the AW-UE160 cameras. We have the RP150 controller to go with them, and we're sending out PoE injectors to remotely power them over the network connection, and also this Manfrotto Super Clamp to attach these cameras to truss, poles, or other objects. Some of the major benefits of the new UE160 is it has a massive 1-inch sensor, so you're going to get really high image quality comparable to a studio camera. There's a low optical sensor built in for moire reduction, which is fantastic if you're shooting against LED. There's also improved motors built in, so you're going to get quieter, smoother movements on these PTZs for really nice movements and great image quality. So what we want to demo today and show you guys is this Manfrotto Super Clamp, how it works with these PTZs. So here I've got the Manfrotto Super Clamp. This has a couple thumb screws on it. This large one adjusts the main mechanism that's going to attach to the truss or pole, and then the smaller mechanism deals with the pin. So this pin has a thread on it to fit in the camera. So to get this pin out, to attach to the camera, we're going to unscrew this thumb screw here, and then you can see there's another pin that you need to push in and it'll slide right out, okay? So when I try to put it back in, it won't go all the way in, so I need to push that pin again, and you can see it's wobbly, so that's what this other thumb screw is for, to get any of the wiggle out of it and make it nice and tight in there. Okay, so we'll take the gold pin out, we're gonna move the camera on its side here, and just screw it in. So we've got the pin in the camera, and now we can put the clamp right on our truss or pole. So now we're going to attach the Super Clamp to this pole. I'm going to attach it so the camera's on top, but if you needed to hang it underneath, you could attach it that way. So all I do is put the Super Clamp on and tighten down this big thumb screw nice and tight, and you can see that gets very tight on there. All right, so I've got the camera with the pin on it. If I drop it in, you can see it doesn't go in. So I need to just press this little silver pin, boom, there we go. It's locked in but wobbly, so then that's what this second thumb screw is for. Tighten that all the way in. There you go, locked in and tight. So that's how you set up the Manfrotto Super Clamp, and this is everything included in our PTZ kits. For more information, check out our website at highresolution.tv.